This is the mess. So, magsa-start ako ng, what time is it na? 2:12 p.m. Baka this. Let's see. Let's go clean this up. Okay. I'm done. The time now is 6:58. Kitang-kita naman. So, ito na yung progress. Nalinis ko na actually yung room. Desk na lang. Ito na lang yung kulang. Yan. Desk. Okay. Nice and clean. This one, medyo nabawasan na. Ito kasi, mga food to, aayusin ko pa yan. Ibababa ko yan. Para hindi tayo ipisin. And then the bed. Woo! Sorry about that. Woo! And may curtain na rin. Nakapag-vacuum na rin. Linis niyan. And na-rearrange ko rin sila. Yun. So, yun yung progress natin today. Congrats to me. Let's go. Oh, so nice. Sana makabit ko na to soon. Yan. Yay! That's all.